No, what's tomorrow?
Not Thanksgiving.
Yeah, it is Thanksgiving. What was your brother just doing?
Doing the naked man.
No, he was not. Look, Destin, do it again. Do it again, Destin. There's Destin.
Put it up to your eye.
Destin. Destin. Bless you. Bless you, Destin.
Point it the wrong way.
Bless you. Sneeze for us, Destin. Destin, can you sneeze? Say achoo. Say achoo. Destin, can you sneeze? Dylan, why don't you sit by him? Destin, can you sing that song? Go, go, Destin Ranger, a mighty morphin Destin. Oh, the swords are upstairs. You have to get Dylan to go get you one. Are you gonna go get it?
There's one.
Okay, here he comes. Here comes Destin Ranger. Go, go, Destin Ranger, a mighty morphin Destin Ranger.
Go, go, Dawn Ranger! A mighty morphin power ranger!
A Dylan Ranger.
A mighty morphin power ranger!
Dylan, sing me the song.
Mighty morphin power ranger!
Dylan, sit down right there or stand right there and do the thing about the apples. Turn around so I can see you. Turn around here so I can see you good. No, sit up so we can see you. Okay, here we go.
So I shook that tree as hard as I could. Down came the apples. One fell. One fell. Jackson and one.
Now do it right.
No.
Well, then sing me the song about the ducks.
Go, go, Power Ranger! A Dylan Mighty Morphin Power Ranger! Go, go, Dylan Ranger! Mighty Morphin
Destin. Destin.
One is a sword.
Uh-oh, he's gone. Destin, sing me the song about Thomas. Sing Harold.
Go, go, Dylan Ranger! A Mighty Morphin Power Ranger!
Whose Christmas tree is it?
Go, 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 Dylan Ranger! A Mighty Morphin Power Ranger! I don't want to see R2-D2 again.
That wasn't very nice.
What?
Uh-oh, Destin's got a gun.
Go, go, like that.
No, Destin. Come here, Destin. Come here.
Go, go, Destin, Black Power Ranger.
Destin. Listen, Dylan, listen. Listen, Dylan.
Black Power Ranger.
Destin, did you get new shoes?
Go, go, get okay. Here I go. Going. Go for the on the face. Go, go, go.
Show me. I don't know what you're doing. Do it again so I can see.
What?
Tell him to look at you.
Look at me. Go.
You guys are silly.
Oh, he's gone.
Let me see you do it again, Destin.
Baywatch! It's animal spectacle.
Hey guys, do it again. Destin, look at Dylan.
Paul.
Destin, look at Dylan. Look at Dylan. Look at Dylan.
Destin, look at me. Destin, look at me. I did it. I give you a whole bunch of pose this time. I'm gonna go po.
Destin, I wish you wouldn't run back there. Go hit your head on that table.
What's with that? Po.
Come here, guys. I gotta ask you something. Destin,
Baywatch!
do you scream? Who's Boy Wonder? Who? Oh yeah, Shane. Don't. Who's Boy Wonder? Where's Dylan? Dylan, you guys look at me. Are you guys ready to go upstairs and go to bed? Destin, are you ready to go to bed?
Say no. Go, no.
He's gonna do it to you. Dylan, he's doing it to you.
Pull at me. Go pull at me.
Destin, look here. Do you like Doug? Do you like Doug?
I like Doug.
Yeah.
Do you like Doug?
Mommy, I like Doug.
Is Doug a good guy? Pops is a good guy. Is Doug a good guy? Papa? Is Papa a good guy? He's at work? No, he'll be here. He'll be here. Say bye, Destin. Say love you.
I say, but that I'll cut a bit. It's good.
There's plenty of food. No, there is. There's plenty of food.